everyone, good to be here and share the video with you. And today this video is a word instruction on how to connect 3-wheel LED line with only one driver and only one RGB controller. And in parallel, not in series, as I have introduced how to connect LED light in series to use in our previous video. And so now let's see how to connect them. And first, you have seen that we have prepared the following items to you: and 3 wheels, LED line, 1 driver, 1 RGB controller, 1 connector, and 4 wires. And later on, I will introduce the main function of the wire and the connector. And first, before we test them, we need to use the driver. The words of the drivers must be bigger than the total words of 3 wheels LED line, so that it can supply power. As we use 50-50 as example in this text, and so the words of the drivers must be bigger than 216. You see, the words of our 50-50 is 72 words per wheel, and so the words must be bigger than that, and the same as the RGB controller, or else we can use the RGB controller to control the LED strip light. First, you see it here. One end, the input side of the RGB controller connect with the driver, and another end, you can see we connect 4 wires between the connector and the RGB controller. Actually, if we only text one wheel LED strip light, we can connect the different wires directly with the RGB controller, as there are 4 holes in the RGB controller. But if we want to text 3 wheels at one time, we can see clearly that the hole is too narrow to contain all the wires, 3 wires in one time into the same hole. So we need to use the wire and the connector to connect them. You know, kind of bridge to connect the LED line with the connector, with the LED controller. So the different mark here need to be 100% match the different colors with the LED strip light. For example, if we connect one wire with the blue mark, then into this hole, then this hole need to be inserted with the blue wire into this hole. So so the same as the second one, the green wires connect with the green mark here. Then this holes need to be inserted with all the green wires into one hole, into the same hole. And so we can connect them in this way one by one and make sure that the different mark match with the different color into the same hole, and connect them tightly. So now let's turn on the switch, and you can see that this strip light is working now. If the sequence of the wires is not the same with the different mark here, they are not matched with each other, you will see the LED strip light will not be working. So the sequence is very important. So now let's see. You can see it. This is the mode kit. It has 15 modes for your choice. We can press this key to see the different mode. So you can see as the different mode is all at the dynamic mode. So how to control the speed when the LED light is dynamic mode? Then we need to use these 2 keys to speed up the LED light or speed down the LED strip light. So let me show it to you. By pressing the up key, you will see the LED strip light is running very fast. And pressing continually, the speed will be up to the maximum, and you can speed down the LED strip light by pressing the down key. So this is one of the functions of this toolkit when the LED strip light is dynamic. And now let's move on to this key. This key, I press it. You will see the LED strip light will switch to other single colors and at static mode. So this kit is to switch the white color or other single color. This is one of the function of this key. And when the LED strip light is static mode, we can press this two key to increase or decrease the brightness of our LED strip light. You see, the LED strip light is brighter and brighter by pressing this key, and decrease the brightness by pressing this key. So this is the main function of these two keys. One is to control the brightness, and another function is to control the speed, the running speed. And another function of this key is that we can motivate the coloring by press twice. And when the LED strip light is static mode. If the LED strip light is dynamic mode, let me show it to you. When the LED strip light is dynamic mode, here, we slide the ring color, you will see the LED strip light is still at the same color, right? So we can use this color ring when the LED strip light is dynamic mode. But if we press this key twice, we slide slowly this color ring, you will see that strip light will switch to other colors. So this is another function of this key. By press twice, you can use this color ring to choose the color you like. That's all, thank you.